There's a hidden story behind this tree. Once upon a time there was a quiet little tree, flowers and no colors but just silence. Every day it watched other trees bloom full of life, and it wondered, will I ever be like them? Seasons passed, winds came, rains fell, still and nothing changed. But one day something magical happened. A tiny pink flower bloomed as one. The tree felt hope, and slowly more flowers appeared, pink, orange, soft and bright. And then, suddenly, it was no longer the lonely tree. It became the most beautiful tree in the whole place. And that's how life is, Sometimes it takes time, but when your moment comes, you'll bloom beautifully, And that's how the tree finally bloomed, Which color do you love the most? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more relaxing videos.